5 Magimir retouching tips you need to know. Number 1. Blemish removal plus neutral gray. If you want a textured skin retouch, start with blemish removal to clear obvious pimples. Then use neutral gray to clean up the pimples and small imperfections in detail. Number 2. Brighten skin. Define the face. Dark photo, blurry outline? Use skin whitening first. Then turn on skin tone balance so the face and body match naturally. Number 3. Smart makeup, no fake faces. Adding makeup might make your face look fake, since skin smoothing and makeup basically act like a second filter. It's best to apply makeup only to specific areas, like your eyes, blush, lips, or contours. This way, the makeup layers on top of your natural skin texture and smoothing. Number 4. Filter stress. Use smart color correction. Not sure which filter to pick? Don't worry, just use smart color correction. It will automatically detect the shadows and highlights in your photos and adjust the lighting to look just right. Number 5. Full body reshaped in one click. Tired of using PS liquefier? Too much work? Magimir Smart Body Sculpting detects curves automatically without warping the background. Natural and fast. Want more Magimir tips? Hit follow. More tutorials coming soon.